Hi there everybody. Hey, welcome back to a video today for copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and if you are looking for a side hustle, something that you can do from the very comfort of your home, very part-time, something that is simple, something that is affordable, congratulations, because you're in the right place at the right time. Just wanted to bring you inside of my back office to show you around a little bit, do an overview, and share with you everything you are going to get for only $129 one time. No monthly fees at all. This puts you in a position for the potential to earn $100 over and over again, potentially. Okay? You can do this from anywhere in the world. It is a global, worldwide opportunity. So you're just not limited or restricted in the USA. Okay, so I just want to get that out there. First and foremost, this is the back office. Very easy to navigate. Super user-friendly, very beginner-friendly. Everything is contained right up here. Very functional, easy to navigate, dashboard, all that good stuff. So once you pay your $29 one time to the admin and then your $100 membership, you're going to have access here. You'll log in and this is exactly what you're going to see. And what you're going to want to do is go right here to new member start here and just click right here. Okay. And right over here, I just want to scroll down. This is where you're going to be able to access your bonus traffic and a lot more information. If you want to join the optional rotator, you have that choice, okay, available to you. Here is the awesome compensation plan video that you can go ahead and check out. And here's some additional resources done for you. Email campaigns, banner ads, additional income streams if you so desire. And you can view all your statistics and access your member training and resources right here. Okay, so what we're going to do first and foremost is click here. This is going to take you into your 8 steps to getting started. Okay, you'll want to watch this little 3-minute video right here. This is the exciting part on getting your payment methods and processors set up. You can choose however you wish to be paid. Now, just to let you know, I accept all major credit cards through authorized.net. For some reason, if this is not pulling up for you, just text me or call me and I'll be more than happy to send you over an invoice. Not a problem at all. I also take Cash App and Venmo, and I can also take, for right now, currently PayPal and Apple Pay. So I have a multitude of ways that you can pay me the $100. Okay, so we are very flexible here. You're going to absolutely love this opportunity because it's super simple and there is just a ton of value here. See, there I am, folks. I earned another $100 just a couple days ago. Just pay attention to this bottom left as I am recording this video. You'll see lots of members winning and having success, and you can do the exact same thing too. This is literally a complete turnkey business in a box. Everything you need is provided to you and for you. Okay, so you just follow step 1. Setting up your payment method, step 2, setting up your profile, step 3, all your sample ads. So you do not have to write your own ads. They're all done for you, provided for you. You just literally copy, paste, post, and ultimately profit. Okay? Top places to post ads. You don't have to concern where you're going to be posting your ads, folks. You don't have to figure that out for yourself. See there, another 5 days ago, that was me again. You don't have to guess where you're going to be putting ads. Everything is provided for you. All the top resources, all the best places that have been already tested, already proven to work, and are working, folks, right here in step 4. Done for you traffic. If you want to automate this, I'll share this with you. These are some incredible resources that I've been using now for a number of years with great results. Step number 5, how to post ads step by step, folks. It's very, very simple. Okay, as the name says, as simple as it gets. This really is. It's literally a paint by numbers system, and it's all been updated and upgraded and current with ad copy, sample ad, advertising resources, banner ads, image ads for 2025. You're going to absolutely love this. Okay, So here is how to post your ads in member training area. Step number 7, your members area training. And then step number 8 is going to be your bonus ad credits that you're going to want to take advantage of. Okay, so you just follow these steps in succession. Very easy. And be sure and watch this video. Okay, and then you'll come right up here to the dashboard. And this is where you are going to access your new member training. Okay, again, you're going to watch this video and follow these 8 steps. Alrighty, very simple. Create your profile, choose how you wish to be paid, and you can go in and make any adjustments to your settings that you need to. This is where you'll track all your contacts. This is where you go to grab your done for you capture page and sales page. Very easy. So no, you don't have to create any pages. Very easy, folks. This is so quick, so simple, so easy. Okay. You have a multitude of different pages to pick from. You can scroll down the left side and then scroll down the right side. Pick whichever page you want. These are all mobile ready, mobile responsive capture pages. So for example, let's say you may wish to use this one. Just make it your primary. Very easy. Point and click, select it, and then you find the one here with the video. See right here. Here's the one with the video, and you make this your redirect. That's all you have to do. That is how easy this is, and you have your ready to go, ready-made link for your capture page, and you are in business. Okay, and you can start posting and having fun. Copy, paste, post for profit. Okay, with copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. So right in pages, this is where you go and select your capture page. Just make it your primary. Find the one right here with the video and make it your redirect. Grab the link and you are good to go. Okay, you'll be able to track and monitor your team right here. Here's all your tools. You can track your statistics for your campaigns. Your autoresponder follow-up emails are right here. This does have a built-in follow-up email autoresponder. If you're like me and you have your own autoresponder, for example, like a GetResponse or an AWeber, you can just copy and paste these right into your own autoresponder, upload them, and you are good to go. Here's your iSpin Auto Builder account if you want to take advantage of that with your bonus credits. Here's some sample ads, folks. Very easy. These have been all updated, as you can see, January 1st, 2025, new revised ads. Very, very exciting. These work like a charm. You'll just scroll down, folks. There's so many ads. You're never going to have to worry about running out of ads or having an ad supply shortage. And the beautiful thing is, folks, these resources, these ads, you can modify them and you can tweak them up, edit them, and go and use them for other home-based business opportunities. Okay, so there's lots and lots of benefits here to being a member of the copy and paste ad system. So you go down here, folks, you just keep scrolling and you will have so much to work with, folks. It's unbelievable. Look at this, 40 ads. Okay, and again, you can change these up, tweak them to your liking, and use them over and over again, folks, for whatever you desire. Okay, so there is the tools. Okay, we have our resources. We have a members only paid Facebook group. Make sure that you request to become a member because you'll get all the latest and greatest updates. Okay, resources and training. This is where you're going to get your modules for your resources and your training. There happen to be 6 of these. Your getting started guide, your follow-up emails and autoresponders, how to post an ad on Craigslist, top 100 places to start posting your ads, Facebook groups if you want to post in Facebook groups, and mindset videos. And then you have additional resources here, your member training, your sample ads, places to advertise, Craigslist posting tips and cities, YouTube marketing training, and payment method tutorials. Okay, so everything is here for you. And again, more sample ads, Craigslist posting tips and cities, more places to advertise, and banner ads. If you want to use banner ads, folks, you can use banner ads. They're all right here. Very, very simple. You just copy and paste the code into the banner ad site. It is so easy. Okay? Places to advertise. Here is going to be your Craigslist training. Here's a video. You want to definitely watch it from beginning to end. And then what you need to do is follow these steps right here. There happen to be 10 of them. But take this slow. Unless you have a seasoned account, folks, if you're starting out with a brand new, fresh craigslist.org account. Just take this slow. Don't rush things, okay? Just watch the video first, okay? And then follow these 10 steps. Don't try to reinvent the wheel or deviate from what is here, folks, okay? This works. You just need to follow it exactly as it is mapped out and outlined, okay? For Craigslist, which is a very popular, very powerful classified ad site platform for 2025, okay? So everything you need here, folks: sample ads, Craigslist posting tips in cities, places to advertise, and banner ads. Traffic. These two resources right here alone work very well. They really do. Hercules, $20 ads. Once you start making $100 commissions, okay, you have some money to work with. I would encourage you to reinvest a percentage of what you're making so you can build, grow, and scale up faster, okay? $20 an ad at Hercules. Then there's Udemy. Start with around 100 clicks. You're going to be looking to spend somewhere around $40, give or take a little bit, okay? It'll be well worth it, all right? Because you can scale your business up. Between these two resources alone, folks, these work very, very well with consistency. That's the name of the game, folks. You just have to be consistent with what you are doing, all right? Because consistency is key to being successful in any home-based business this year and beyond, all right? So there is additional traffic resources, earn more bonuses. Okay, you can check out all of this right here. Different ways to receive your money, all right? As you can see, I have authorized.net, which is my merchant account set up. Again, if something isn't going through, just connect with me. I'm putting my website below, and I'm putting my personal cell phone. Text me or call me. I'll shoot you over an invoice, okay? But I also accept Cash App, Venmo. I can also do Apple Pay, and I can also do PayPal. And then if you're in Canada, I also have Wise, just to let you know. So just wanted to let you know some additional options. Hit me up and I will be more than happy to help you and accommodate you. So in closing, I just want to show you right here, more continued proof that I've been consistently earning now with copy and paste ads for the past couple of years. I absolutely love this little business, folks. It's super simple. I mean, like the name says, as simple as it gets. It's affordable. There is a tremendous amount of value and resources in training for only $129 one time. That's it. No monthly fees worldwide. All right. So let's just end this with the leaderboard. And as you can see, folks, there I am right here at the very top. Marybeth A. All right. So with that being said, folks, we're going to go right back here to new member training. And this is where you're going to begin. This is where your new success journey will be starting. Hey, I'd love to help you to get going today. Tax season is here. This is probably one of the best investments that you can do and invest in yourself this year. Great time of the year, folks. Beginning of the year. Something simple, something anybody can do. Anybody looking to boost and increase their cash flow. No special skills required. No fancy degrees. You don't have to have a following. You don't have to be no social media marketing influencer, none of that. All you do is plug in, folks. Plug in, get started, plug in. This is plug and play, paint by numbers, very turnkey, very beginner friendly, as you can see. A fully functional back office that's easy to navigate. User friendly all the way, folks. Everything you will need to be up and running very quickly and enjoy success is here. So why not take a little bit of your tax refund, folks, and invest it into yourself. Invest it into a business that has the potential to pay you over and over and over again in 2025. The potential to earn unlimited instant pay $100 commissions deposited directly into your bank account. It's fun, folks. It's a fun, profitable little business, folks. Okay? So there you see. That was me once again 4 days ago. So again, I've been with copy and paste ads now past couple years, consistently earning with it. I can absolutely, positively help you. So what you want to do next is go right here, easydaily100.com. Okay, easydaily100.com. My link is going to be below in the description. easydaily100.com. This is the page. Okay, this is where the magic starts. Because you're about to discover a simple way to start getting $100 payments over and over again. You are going to be going here and entering a good valid email address. click here to come on in. You'll see a bridge page. There'll be a button there. And ultimately, this is where you want to go. Okay? This is exactly where you are going to want to be going. All right. You are going to land on this page. And this is my sales page. You'll have your very own sales page. Be sure and watch this video. 5-minute explainer video. Everything is explained. This is out there working for me, folks, 24/7 around the clock. This does all my telling, all my selling, all my explaining for me. It'll do the exact same thing for you. So no, you do not need to talk to anybody, okay? Unless, of course, you absolutely want to. When you're ready, you'll click on a Join Now button, review the business model, check out the testimonials, hear live why people love this program so much, okay? Here's the bonus. Make sure you grab your bonus, your 5,000 banner ad credits to give you your boost and jumpstart your traffic to your copy and paste ad site. Here's all the highlights, everything your one-time payment is going to include right here. You can either click on Buy Now or Join Now, okay? So, Buy Now. This is the page you're going to go to create your account. Watch this little 50-second video. And then enter your first name, your last name, your email address. Pick a username. Mine happens to be Marybeth A, which is my first name and the first initial of my last name. Choose a password. Just know it's case sensitive, and then create your account. You'll be redirected right inside to pay your $29 one-time admin. Then you'll be redirected. You'll see my different payment options and methods to pay me the $100, and then you will be good to go. You'll get a welcome email with your login link, and you'll be able to log right into your back office of copy and paste ads, access your training, get started, grab your website link, and start copying, pasting, and posting for profits in 2025. So with that being said, folks, thank you so very much. I look forward to welcoming you to my team in advance for the copy and paste ad system, as simple as it gets, and hope to see you very soon inside of our amazing official Facebook group for paid members. Thank you, and bye-bye. Again, everything is below, 330-787-1795, my personal cell. Text or call if you need anything. Do not hesitate. EasyDaily100.com. The link and my cell is below. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.